It's looking like it's beehive time again, and this is all the crap we got last time. Like the bees making some crazy comb, and but we got all of our stuff, so I guess let's get into it. Beep 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 beep. Let's get on up to the hive. There she is. And it is looking like these girls are busy today. Check them out. Alright. Looks like it's time to get suited up. See how this goes today. Alright, we are in bee view. So let's go ahead and get this focus right on in there. And let's get started on this inspection and see what happens. Alright, how you doing today, girls? Hopefully you're doing good. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Look at this guy. These big old field spiders will not stay off of my hive. It drives me nuts. Alright, still a little smoke in here. See what's happening. Ugh. Alright. There we go. Alright, I'm not seeing a whole lot of girls up here in the top boxes, which is totally fine, since we literally just put them on this past week. So I'm not expecting to see too much out of these. Yeah, okay, so I got some empty frame action, that's fine. Not upset about that at all. Let's see what we got going on here. Alright, got a little bit of wonky comb coming on here, but that's fine. And we got, let's see, what do we got in here? We got some more nectar stores. Nice. Very nice. Anything going on over here? It looks like just nectar stores, so that's fine. I'm going to go ahead and shake these girls off and flatten that out a little bit. Smash her down, and we are good to go on that one. That side though is looking very, very nice. So getting some nectar stores over there, which is good. I love seeing that, especially in this top box. There's a lot more established than it was last time. Holy crap. Alright, so it's looking like we're looking really good over here. There's some wonky comb down here that I'm gonna get rid of. Excuse me, girls. There we go. Get off of that. Get off of it. There we go. There you go. Let's toss that in the bucket. And that's what we got looking over here. Looks like we're getting some eggs in there, which is really good. Very, very good looking. Coming over to this side, and we are getting a bunch of eggs and larvae in there as well. That's awesome. And we got a little bit of bee bread in there too, which is good. Well, that one looks funky. So we got a lot of nectar cells over here. A lot of nectar storage, and we got some eggs in there and some larvae in there too. Go ahead and get rid of this wonky comb on the bottom. And let's see what's rocking on this side. And more eggs. Very nice. Very nice, very nice, very nice. Coming in on this one. Looks like we got some pollen and nectar. And wonky comb. Wonky comb on the bottom. Easily managed. And I didn't see our queen in this top box, so I mean, I'm not too upset about that too bad yet. And these frames are still pretty much empty. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and push these guys together. Get off of there. I'm going to put this salvage comb in the box, or in the bin over here. And then we're going to get into this bottom box. There we go. Alright, 3 frames in, and we are getting the drawn out comb and some nectar storage, which is good. And we have a lot of capped brood, capped honey, larvae, and yep, we got eggs in there. We got bee bread. That's a really nice looking frame right there. Ooh, that's a heavy frame. Look at that, wow. Got some egg action in there. That's really, really good looking. That is a whole frame of brood. Look at that. Front and back. Fantastic. Oh, heavy, heavy, heavy frame. Let's see what we got. Another full frame of brood. Wow, got some wonky comb on the bottom. We'll get rid of that. Look at that. Amazing. Get rid of this, and that. And that. Looking very, very, very good. We got some drone cells at the bottom there too. Nice. Alright. Another frame that is looking fantastic. That is looking very, very, very nice. We got larvae in there, we got eggs in there. Again, we got the crazy comb being made down here on the bottom. We'll get rid of that. Oh, another heavy, heavy frame. More wonk-tascular comb. Alright, let's see what we got here. Very nice. Very nice. Got more eggs. All sorts of good stuff. Another good frame right there, looking fantastic. Right here, all this white right here, this is all capped honey right there for the bees. That is awesome. So we didn't get a look at our queen this week, but the fact that there is new eggs and the fact that everything is looking like it should means I don't necessarily need to get eyes on her this week, because this top box didn't have eggs, brood, and all that other stuff, and it was definitely not getting drawn out when I checked it last week. And I mean, clearly they are up here doing some work, drawing this stuff out, popping eggs in there. So she's doing work. We got eggs and all that fun stuff, nectar stores and everything coming up into the second box. So we are still looking very, very, very good. Exactly where I want it to be at this point in time. So I am not worried, not one bit, about our queen's health. And everything else inside here looks awesome. We're not getting ants. I mean, other than that one stupid field spider that comes back every single week, I have no worries about what's going on with this hive at all. I am very, very happy so far how it's turning out. And I'm still very, very satisfied with how gentle this colony seems to be, because they have yet to sting, like, at all, which is highly surprising to me. I have not gotten stung once. I've even come in here with without gloves and without everything, without my suit, and just have had no issues with this colony whatsoever. So for being my first colony, let me get this camera shut. There we go. Yeah. So for being my first colony, I'm actually very, very happy with how these girls are turning out and how gentle they are. I mean, like, even Trey has been able to come up to the hive, sit here and monitor them without his bee suit and not get attacked, not get stung, not have the bees being completely overly protective whenever he comes out here to the hive itself, which makes me happy as a father, because I know that he knows the basic rules of how to behave around the hive. But I also know that if he just so happens to be out here, he's not going to be getting attacked by, you know, swarms of aggressive bees. So that makes me, Jen, all of us super happy and super, super comfortable that we have a colony that's as gentle as this one. It's awesome. I really hope you guys enjoy following along with me on this bee journey of having our first beehive. It has been a crazy opportunity so far to be able to learn how to interact with bees and how to not be aggressive and how to stop them from being aggressive to the point where me who used to like not, if you see a bee, you go the other way. And Trey, who was completely afraid of any type of insect. And even Jen, who didn't want to have anything to do with this project, who now wants to come out here and experience it as soon as we find somebody who could watch Sophie for a little bit. It is an absolute amazing hobby. And just watching the hive grow from, you know, just a package to now 2 boxes, like thriving and doing great, is just amazing to me, and I'm so happy with it. And I hope you guys are having as fun watching this along with me as I am participating in this. And if you do, definitely make sure to leave us a comment and let us know what you guys think about following along with us. And hopefully you guys stick with us for the long haul as we grow the hive even bigger and work on splits in the future and getting a few more hives as well to give us our full apiary that I hope to get one day. So thanks again for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this, and don't forget to leave us those comments. Thanks guys. Peace.